everybody. Say hey, Kent.
Hey everyone.
So this is Kent, our new feed manager, and every week we are going to be doing a feed information video or talking about like different stuff that we have going on in the world of animal feeds. And so today Kent is going to tell you about a new product. So I'm going to step out and let him chat, but welcome Kent, and if you haven't got a chance to meet him, be sure and stop in the store and say hello. So without further ado, I guess tell us what's up.
So we have come up with a new product. It's a Purina product that we haven't carried before. It's called South Central Sweet Livestock. It's 11% protein feed. It's for cattle out grazing, and it's also for growing goats. We thought we'd pour some out, let you look at it. This is a nice pelleted product with a little bit of whole corn or a little bit of cracked corn in it. It'll work well with the grass going down in quality right now. Be able to stretch grass out by using a little bit of this feed. It's priced very competitive. If you give us a call or check through us on Facebook, we'll get you pricing on it. Also, we just want you to do, if you are feeding and grass going down, make sure we get a quality mineral in front of the livestock, and we think it'll be a good combination together. We would also like to let you know that come in first week of August, we're going to have a sheep and goat virtual event. We'll be getting details out to you next week. We have a real good lineup set up for August 4th, 5th, and 6th, and we hope to see you then.
Yeah, so don't forget, I know a lot of you came to our last sheep and goat meeting and it was a lot of fun, and the Purina reps were here. Now we have a number of different reps coming about all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, we're going to talk about AIing with Ryan Page at SEK Genetics, AIing goats. We're going to have Don Bliss talking about parasites in sheep and goats. And
I just love parasites, don't you? Yeah. Parasites is a good topic. So, I mean, and then we have a Purina guy coming too, right?
Yep. We'll have Clay doing a video on feed and nutrition. So we have a well-rounded program put together for you.
Yeah, and I know last year if you came to the sheep and goat event, you loved Clay and talking to him and about all his knowledge. So we're going to be doing that. So brand new feed in. It's, you said cattle and goats.
Yep, cattle and goats.
And it will really help them through the finish of summer, right? When the grass is getting thin. And
right, it'll be a good way to stretch grass out. Hopefully it'll get to rain in here soon, and we don't have to worry about it, but it'll be a nice product to enhance
it. Okay. All right, so if you guys have any questions, Kent is probably, you're one of the most knowledgeable people I've met that knows about feed and animals and all of this livestock world. So make sure that if you have any questions about what kind of feed should you be feeding to your animals, you can even help them set up a ration and stuff, right?
Correct.
So a plan of what to feed.
We can help put a nutrition program together with products from Purina.
Yeah.
To make the animals perform better.
Yeah. So if you have any questions about what you're feeding your animals or what you should be feeding them, make sure that you give Kent or Kyle a call here in the store or stop in and see them, because they can definitely help you kind of make a plan for your animals and get the most out of them. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a great day. Be sure to holler at Kent if you come through the store and say hello, and enjoy the rain that it looks like we're getting right now. So I guess I'll kill the video, but have a great day and thanks very much, and check out the new feed. Bye all.